it's Tina Manglik, your Director of Philanthropy, again reporting from our new lower school. I have a lot to show you today and some very, very exciting stuff. Let's get to it. Before we go any further, I have some really exciting news to share with you. We have power! So a few minutes ago, I showed you that we have power, and that is a really big deal. But there's another big deal on this campus today. We are finally attaching our existing hamlet with our new school. That spot and that place that's happening is right behind me, right there. Yeah, I know, it took me a second to find it too, but it's a really, really big deal. Our schools will now be one. Now before we go, I want to give you a quick update as to our classroom. The last time you saw me in this room, all there were steel studs around the room. Not much was happening, but in fact, that has changed. Now we have walls up. This is extremely exciting. In addition to our drywall, we've also now included our utilities. Above me, you will see our black and red pipes are our sprinkler system, and the copper are our heating and cooling systems. I'm giving you an insider scoop, but when you come see the finished product in a few months, these guys will be all tucked away to ensure your safety, but at least you'll know they're there. And there you have it. That's video number 6. I'll see you in another 2 weeks to see all of the exciting changes at our lower school. Thank you again for your support of the Vivid campaign.